Good morning Nyan Fam! Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog na naman dito sa Nyan Family. So, ngayon kami ni Nancy ay nandito sa very far city. We are in Cesena. At kami ay magla-lunch na kasi bakit? And it's very hot guys. Tingnan nyo naman nakasando ko. Naka-t-shirt. So kami ay magla-lunch na kasi today is yung aking interview sa Storytime sa radio. And yon, dumating kami doon.
Careful with its dirt as well. I need to twist the paper.
Dirty.
That is dirty.
Okay, like this.
So I can...
Dumating kami doon sa Bologna ng 10:30. Tapos pumasok na kami and then after no nag-start na ako mag-fill up and then after ng fill up ang bilis lang ng pangyayari, no? It's very fast. It happened very fast. So pinasok na ako kagad sa interview and yon yung biyahe namin Nancy from our house papuntang Bologna. We are doing practice though, like what is the question? Ula. For the rest of the time
I slept
and she slept. But I managed guys yung aking interview. Yan, so in Italian yan.
Anyway, it was not live, so
yeah, it was not live, so it's good. They will tell me when it will be live and I will have the video, so papakita ko sa inyo yun, video na yon. Okay, it's in Italian.
Okay, you put the translation.
I put the translation and that's it. It's very good experience kasi imagine in the radio, naka-headset, tas may mic, ang ganda ng tunog ng boses mo. It's like you're in the radio, no? It's a good experience for me. It's really nice. So ngayon bumaya kami from Bologna, dito na kami sa Cesena para mag-lunch kasi gutom na kami, lunchtime na no? Yung mga bata nandun sa lolo't lola. So kain na kami, itong kain namin is piadina lang. Mabilis ang piadina. It's hot?
Yes.
Pakita mo sa kanila. Yan ang piadina guys. Piadina.
This is my one whole. I don't know if you see the size of this.
Yes, you can see. You see how big is it? This is mine?
So this is mine. Yours it's under.
Under, okay.
It's fucking hot.
It's so hot. And maybe put something here. It's good.
Mine is with mushrooms and cheese.
Okay, facciamo una foto prima.
Confesso.
Okay. Yon guys, at kain muna tayo, no? Yung in-order ko it's salsiccia, longanisa with fries. So I can eat with that.
It's not fried.
Huh?
I don't think it's fried.
It's patate, it's potatoes.
Look, it's so long. It's cheese. I cannot cut it.
What's here? That's why you have.
I'm very smart because I put the.
Nandito lang kami sa parking guys.
Jacket
At,
upside down. Yeah, there's people passing.
It's funny, but it's okay. Kami sa parking kumain. Kasi doon sa binila namin ng piadina, walang puan.
It's like
street, yeah. It's like street. We should ask to cut this, you know, better.
Some mess.
I think better you take this one.
Because we don't have cheese.
Yes. Just use this one. Pauwi sa bahay guys, 2 hours pa yung biyahe namin. So hindi ko alam kung abutin namin sunduin si Dylan.
Oh my god, it's a mess.
Ay, 1 o'clock na. 3:30 si Dylan. So kung kakain kami ng mabilis, we can manage to take Dylan. It's really good. It tastes like there is a
potatoes. It's smashed like
mashed potato and like curry.
Yeah. Try this. Mine it's only mushroom, cheese, and rucola.
Can you help me?
Qua non c'è niente. Qua.
Mine is better this time.
Oh. I like mine also.
Sobrang nakakatuwa. May interview sa radyo. Next time, Nancy, they will interview Nancy. No? When she will become nutritionist.
Sorry, they told me that no I vomit.
Vomit?
Yes.
Okay. Why?
I don't know. I was reading.
Tanto kataro.
Much.
So yun guys, yung ating interview sa radyo. And I cannot wait to see. I'm so excited to see it. No,
From outside you look very
professional, very happy.
Comfort.
Because the speaker is really good.
Yeah, she said also the pre-interview. She said that the speakers are good. They will put you at ease.
So yun. I don't know. I'm like I'm in shock. But I'm so nervous, no, at first, but I managed to finish the interview. How they do like this? It's close, proprio.
Questo è crescione.
Crescione.
Ah,
You can do it a normal piadina? No.
no, però we can make. I think. I will look for the recipe. And it was only €5 each. Cheap.
Very cheap, guys. This big. It's very cheap. So ang tawag dito is crescione. There's a lot of flavors. There's a lot of things that you can choose, like cheese, longanisa or whatever, meat or cheese, anything that you think is there. I was looking for porchetta.
No, di qua.
But they don't have porchetta. It's the lechon, no?
C'era mortadella.
Lechon inside.
Buko?
Okay, pagtapos nito, video na pag medyo ano na siya, how do you say, manageable na yung size niya. Now it's not. Guys, baka gagawin namin to, tuturo namin sa inyo. Can you teach them this, how to make this?
How to make
this dough?
I'm to study.
For sure you can do also in the Philippines. Put mashed potato. Ayan, ganisa. Okay, kama na tayo. Tapos let's go na para masundo natin si Dylan.
Okay, it's full inside that. There's a lot.
For €5 guys, so punong-puno. Busog na hanggang dinner na to. Bumili pa ako ng matamis. Sabi ni Nancy, are you sure you want to buy sweets because of this? I didn't expect this big. Sometimes it's good to buy on those streets. This selling people on the street, not the street. Meron silang pwesto pero it's like just a window when you order and that's it, no? Because sila yung mga matagal na, no? They're the one that long time in this business.
Yeah.
So it's really good. People come to buy, you know. For sure, if somebody start a business new, not like this for sure, and it costs a lot, no? For sure. This will cost like €8, €10. Okay, now we have favorite in Cesena.
I will never remember.
Huh?
I will never remember.
Buon Piadina. I will remember. Cesena, Piadina, Buono,
Sure,
Grande, €5. All the tags, no? to remember. Can you imagine, guys? I'm with the t-shirt after a long time.
It's
Really hot.
Yesterday I came home, you were with the sun though.
Inside the house. Okay, kaya muna tayo ha. And then, update you later. Okay? Ciao, see you in a bit.
I closed the chapter.
So, dito na kami sa school ni Dylan. So, sunduin namin siya sakto-sakto lang dating namin. So, 2 hours yung biyahe. Saktong 3:30. Medyo late. Hindi naman sakto. Late ng 5 minutes. Yan. Alright. So, sinansi si Dylan. At mamaya si Noah, uwi muna kami. Malapit lang naman bahay namin dito eh. Pagod ako, guys. Nag-drive ako ng 3 hours papunta. Interview. Tapos pabalik another 3 hours. Kapagod. And dito yung 3 hours na yon, hindi traffic. Tuloy-tuloy. So, sa atin di ba pag 3 hours, parang traffic. Dahil sa traffic, nakakapahinga ka ng konti. Pagod lang yung paa mo at pero pahinga ng konti. Dito tuloy-tuloy talagang tuloy-tuloy yung drive. No? Anyway, much better yung ganon kaysa traffic, no? Ay, nako, big boy na si Dylan, nakakatuwa. Oh. Ayan. Oh, tutto sudato. E perché metti la giacca? Togli.
Noah, dove sta?
Sta a casa di nonno, adesso lo andiamo a prendere. Sì,
Io vuoi andare a casa di nonno.
mamma. Siediti.
Vai.
Voglio togliere il ciubbetto.
Se vuoi vai con mamma.
Se vuoi venire con me, vieni con me.
Prendi Noah.
Allora fammi guidare a me, così te lascio. E vado con questa su di me.
Ok.
Due.
So. Si Nancy na daw muna ang mag-drive dahil sunduin niya si Noah Gabriel. Ako ay bababa na sa bahay para magpahinga, no? Tsaka ibababa ko yung grocery kasi dumaan kami bumili ng mga prutas sa grocery saglit, kaya na late ng 5 minutes. Yan. Oh. Oh. Hi.
Ciao.
Ciao. Hello. What's that? Show mo tiyan fam. Huh? Ayan, si Nancy.
Sapete che è Vittoria, la senti
Si Nancy na daw ang...
No, non è sapetta.
Dove sta Victoria?
È quella che urla.
Where's Victoria?
Non la senti? È quella che urla.
Ano?
Non è sciapetta?
Quello?
È una pepetta, una peperina.
Sopra lì, no?
Sì, è quella salita sopra, sulle scale sopra.
Victoria.
La senti?
Si. So yun, si Nancy na daw mag-drive.
Com'è Dylan? Com'è Vittoria?
Oh, it's very nice to be a passenger after 6 hours of driving.
È bella Vittoria, Dylan?
Presto, occhio.
Perché non va via?
The weather, it's like, this is like
Va via?
the chair.
Perché non va via? No.
Oh!
Perché non va via?
Calma.
Vieni avanti.
Oh.
Sta andando via. Stava andando via, stava aspettando il fratello. Adesso andava via.
So guys, suddenly sobrang init ng panahon. Suddenly it's like very hot. I'm like this too much.
Spring, the weather.
25 degrees guys. Suddenly. Kaninang umaga nung umalis kami ay sobrang lamig pa. Pag pauwi ang lamig ay ang init na Sakto-sakto may pay tayo.
Mamma, se vai veloce? Se vai veloce? Se vai veloce? Non ti do
Tamali pure. Tamali pure.
This is very good for meron ako lagi ganito guys nakatabi dito sa aking sasakyan kasi pag summer, my wedding. Yan, lagi dapat tayo magpamayipay. Ngayon, since galing kami sa Pilipinas, meron na akong yung fun. We have the fun now, yung galing sa Pilipinas kasi di ba nauso yun dyan.
Cannot wait to use it.
Cannot wait to use it. Dalawa yung binili namin.
Now we are using for the food.
Yeah, we have 2 of that. So, yung isa hindi pa namin nabubuksan. Yung isa ginagamit namin pang ihip ng pagkain ni Noah pag sobrang init. Yun, so kami lang meron dito nun sa Italy. Only as we have that one in Italy. Yes.
Ragazzi, cioè, a 20 signora.
Okay, Nancy is getting upset with the driver in front because it's very slow. No, and Nancy, it's a born racer. You see,
It's true. It's true.
it's true. Okay. Ngayon, what should I do? What I need to do now? I need to edit vlog sa bahay. Tapos I need to work. I need to 3 vlogs, guys. Naipon dahil pero I know napanood nyo na yung dalawa, no? So ito na lang. At this moment na napapanood nyo itong video, napanood nyo na yung dalawa. So yan. What else I need to do? At yung garage, guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung aking mini office. It's ano na siya, it's transforming, no? Kasi natanggal na yung it's like you remove the key thing, no? After that one was removed, meron ng mga space, so it's time to plan for something about that space. And I'm excited about it kasi summer na, no? It's coming summer na, no? Summer, let's go to the beach. Dylan, you want to go to the beach? You want to go to the beach? In the beach, yes or no? Eh?
No, da nonno Rosario.
Okay, nonno Rosano. Yes.
Guarda, io adesso chiedo se ti adottano, perché adesso è uscito da scuola e ask, Nonna Teresa is coming? No, it's mommy.
Because in the morning, maybe.
It's always like
said,
this, always
yeah.
asking about them.
Yes, because there.
Now I live in there for 1 week.
In the noni, in the the lolo at lola of the baby, they can do everything. They can do everything. Play, eat everything. This is the place of happiness, no? In the lolo at lola, it's the happy place. Not like at home, mama will say no, daddy will say no.
Mommy will say no, daddy will say okay, va bene.
Okay, va bene, però yes. Però it's like this, guys.
Quanta buona la verdura.
Guys, ito yung isang way sa amin na sobrang lalim niya. Sobrang lalim. Sobrang lalim. Pababa. So, di ba?
Mica lo posso lasciare là. Tu che fai?
Yun, guys. So, alam nyo guys yung pakiramdam ng sobrang saya ako dahil nakapag t-shirt ako kanina. It's very comfortable yung t-shirt lang. Ngayon, ito na ako sa bahay.
Devo prendere Noah a casa di nonno. No,
They didn't take the garbage today.
Qui.
Yan, fam. So, sino nandito? Sino mag-abilis? Ay, may chucho. Ay, may chucho. Kagigising ko lang, guys. Kagigising lang namin ni Dylan. Kanina, pagsundo ni Nancy kay Noah, galing namin ng school, dumiretso si Nancy sa bahay nila para sunduin si Noah. Tapos, pagbalik nito, dating na dito katulog ako tsaka si Dylan. Dito sa sofa. Kaya so, gigising ko lang. Ay, loob ng bahay, ang lamig. Yan, oh. Sa pagod yan, guys. Sa pagod sa drive. Kaya yun, nakapahinga ng konti. Oof, yes. And I think nagpe-prepare sila ng merenda. Sila Nancy at Dylan. And, I don't know what they're preparing. Oh, yeah. Oh, what happened? What happened? Sipon-sipon. Unlimited sipon ka na naman. Unlimited sipon. Punas. Punas sipon. Maya guys, mag-e-edit na ako ng vlog. At work a bit. Alright. Kanina, medyo mainit. Dito sa bahay ngayon, malamig na naman. Ako. Punas yung nose mo. Punas yung nose. Punas nose. Nay. What are you eating, guys? Lovely. Strawberry. Wow. Enough. Strawberry pana. Hey. Wake up ka na?
I think I'm the only person in the world that made the expired Nutella. It's expired.
Only house in the world that you can leave the Nutella expired.
Then nobody will eat.
So, ang merenda daw namin ngayon, it's strawberry with pana. Kita manji. O ay mangiato qualcosa. How are you? Good? Hey, Daddy went to the radio today. Did you see? I showed to you. You want to see the photo of the Daddy? Daddy went to radio. To TV. See Daddy in the TV. You see Daddy in the TV. Stiamo parlando. We're talking about Daddy job. No? Video. Supaya sa maano, Noah, what's merenda pa Noah? Okay guys, hapunan na. Mabot na tayo sa hapunan. Yes. Eh? What's that?
Mangiare questo tutto qui.
Yes.
Però l'ho schiacciato tutto.
Okay, no problem. Sì, no problem. Ito ang aming vegetable burger na gawa ni Nancy. Homemade yan, guys. At of course, mga kids, may pasta rin sila. Yan ang pasta ni Noah. Same sila ni Dylan at Noah. Tapos kami ni Nancy, ito yung ginawa niyang cheese bread. I don't know how you call cheese bread. How you call the name? Exact name, see? Pizza di formaggio. Pizza di formaggio. Yeah, pizza di formaggio. Yan. So, it's cheese, no? Yan. So, guys, very quick lang tong, sorry sa buhok ko kasi magulo. Very quick lang tong vlog na to at see you on the next vlog na lang, no? So, ciao niyan family. Ako lang palagi ang nagcha-ciao pero kasi laging busy tong pamilya ko. No? Ciao niyan family.
Ciao.
Dylan, say ciao ciao. Dylan, say ciao ciao.
Sta contando.
Ciao ciao. Yon guys. Okay, good night. See you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.